Always check your local building codes when installing appliances. If you purchased a larger fan unit for your entire home, you'll want to install the fans centrally located in the home, such as above your stairs or in a hallway. You'll want to open a window across the living space to draw air across your home. If you purchase a smaller fan unit for a bedroom, you'll want to install the fan right above the bedroom door or in your master bathroom. You'll want to open a window across the bedroom to draw air through the entire bedroom. Before starting installation, make sure to spin the fan blade to make sure that it spins freely. Remember to find a location with a minimum of 30 inches of clearance height to hang your QuietCool fan in the attic. Once you have found the location to install your fan, head to the attic to ensure that there are no obstructions that may block the fan. Make sure to pull back any insulation around where the ceiling cutout will be. Using your awl, mark 4 reference holes in the drywall around the template. Head back downstairs and use your template to match the 4 reference holes and mark around the template with a pencil. Remove your template and then use your drywall saw to cut around the marked edges. If your attic is hard to maneuver through, now would be a great time to take the duct off of the QuietCool motorhead and pass the motorhead and duct through the ceiling cutout. We designed the housing to fit through the cutout opening. Your damper box has removable flanges designed to fit 16 inches or 24 inches on center joists. If your attic rafters are 16 on center, you're going to need to remove both of the damper box flanges that are on the same side as the ceiling joist for an easy fit. If your attic rafters are 24 inches on center, you're going to need to remove one damper box flange on the side that will mount to the ceiling joists. The flanges are very simple to remove with a flathead screwdriver. Next, place your damper box over the ceiling cutout. For both 16 inches and 24 inches on center installation, you need to attach the damper box to one or more sides of the joists. With the included all-purpose screws, fasten the damper box to the joist using the pre-existing holes inside of the damper box located under the dampers. On the opposite sides, use an all-purpose screw to screw through the drywall into the metal flange. The flange on the other side is designed to fasten and secure the damper box. Next, install your ceiling grill. With the included white Phillips screws, finish the installation. These screws will penetrate the flange on the damper box to hold it in place. Next, head back to the attic. If you removed the duct from the motor housing, you will now want to reattach it. Using our innovative hanger strap eyelet holes, hanging the fan is a breeze. Simply install 2 all-purpose screws into the joist you'll be hanging the fan from and screw them in almost all the way. Hang the straps onto the screw heads and tighten the screws. Make sure the motor head is within 3 to 6 feet from the damper box. If you don't have a rafter close enough to secure the fan, you can always construct your own rafter closer to the fan. Remember to hang the motor housing slightly tilted towards the roof to avoid possible movement of blown-in insulation around your attic. Attach your duct to the damper box using the convenient duct clasps. Then, using the included panhead screws and nylon strap material, wrap the strap around the duct and make a rough 90-degree bend on the duct. This will keep the fan from moving and help reduce vibration and noise. Check that the fan blade spins freely. Congratulations, your QuietCool system is hung and ready to be wired.